Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by that sudden, sharp pain in your calf, like the muscle turned into a rock and refuses to let go? A pain so intense that you sit up in bed, clutch your leg with both hands, and wait, almost holding your breath for it to pass? If you're over 60, I need you to listen closely to what I'm about to tell you, because these leg cramps aren't just a nuisance or part of getting older. They're your body's silent cry for help, warning you that something is seriously wrong. I'm Dr. Michael Harris, a geriatric physician with more than 25 years of experience, and I've treated hundreds of patients who thought cramps were just normal until we discovered the real cause, a magnesium deficiency. This deficiency is far more common than you might think. It gets worse with age, and it doesn't just cause cramps. It weakens your muscles, throws off your balance, drains your energy, disrupts your sleep, and can even affect your heart. But here's the good news. You can fix it naturally, safely, and without expensive medications. Today, I'm going to share with you the 5 foods richest in magnesium that, when prepared the right way, can not only stop the cramps, but also restore your strength, energy, and peaceful nights of sleep. And I'll show you exactly how to prepare each one so your body absorbs as much magnesium as possible. And listen closely. The last food on the list is the most powerful of all, but almost everyone cooks it wrong and loses nearly all of its benefits. The first food is spinach, a true protector of muscles and nerves. But here's the catch. If you boil spinach for too long, you can lose up to 60% of its magnesium. The right way is simple. Steam it for no more than 5 minutes, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. This not only preserves the minerals, but also triples your magnesium absorption. Helen, a 72-year-old patient of mine, had been suffering from night cramps for over a decade. After adding properly prepared spinach to her meals 4 times a week, her pain almost completely disappeared in just 3 weeks. The second food is almonds. Rich in magnesium and potassium, they help reduce muscle inflammation and balance the body's minerals. But here's the secret. Soak them in filtered water for 12 hours before eating. This activates the almonds, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. Robert, a 68-year-old gentleman, started eating soaked almonds with vitamin C-rich fruit at breakfast, and within just 2 weeks, his nightly cramps were gone. The third food is a treat for the taste buds, dark chocolate with at least 85% cocoa. In addition to magnesium, it contains theobromine, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Studies show that regular consumption of dark chocolate can reduce muscle cramps by up to 68%. The secret? Melt it gently over a double boiler without exceeding 113 degrees Fahrenheit and add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt to boost mineral absorption. Mr. Walter, a retired teacher, did this 3 times a week and saw a dramatic drop in the frequency of his cramps. The fourth food is pumpkin seeds. Just 1 handful provides nearly half your daily magnesium needs, plus zinc, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Again, the secret is simple. Soak raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds overnight, rinse them well in the morning, and eat them plain, in salads, or mixed into yogurt. Karen, a 69-year-old retired nurse, began doing this and noticed that not only did her cramps fade, but she also slept more deeply and woke up with more energy. And finally, the fifth food, quinoa. It's packed with magnesium, potassium, iron, and high-quality protein, helping relax and strengthen muscles. But you must prepare it the right way. Rinse it thoroughly before cooking to remove saponin, a natural coating that can interfere with nutrient absorption. Cook it in a low-sodium vegetable broth and finish with olive oil and lemon juice. George, age 72, replaced rice with quinoa at dinner, and within 1 month he almost completely stopped having cramps. Now, even if you eat these 5 foods regularly, you might still get the occasional cramp. That's why I want to give you an emergency technique that can make the pain vanish in seconds.
As soon as you feel a cramp coming on, get out of bed immediately, place your bare foot on a cool floor, and shift your weight onto the leg with the cramp, keeping your knee slightly bent. Then walk slowly until the muscle fully relaxes. These 5 foods, along with this simple technique, have helped hundreds of my patients reclaim pain-free nights and more energetic days. So start today. Every day you delay is another day your body suffers from a problem that you now know how to fix. Your body has been asking for help. Now you know exactly how to answer.